Play pi baro pi pet ya kari kasi channel. Yung rasa pi katup kubor jong katayo kimat bakongsan. Ha tuklar UMP VPP ya ka sarkar pedeng ban penbhaya ke NH6. Dawa ki kun hajar ka hima sora ban weng ke jing ai ra ya ka snong majai. Kintu ka sinjuk nyak taxi badi ban penduk no ka ai labor license ka KHADC. Daki tiar tem ai menteri rang ba syaka kenbun Eastern Group Bank. Bat kiwe-kiwe kubur. Ini parlimentasi ki kubur banyak. Kaseng Kongres jong gejala kalak penpau ba omdon nakaliang persya kibalakam balong nong yalam jong kaliang persya ni leader of the opposition.
Ya kenela ong dau ba Ronnie Wheeling do haba ong halor ke jingdawa jong ke TMC pan ai syaka ya ke kam LO.
Let's make this clear. It's not that we've lost the seat. No, it's not that Gambigri, we lost the election or something. It has to be vacated because the sitting MLA, Mr. Saling Sangma, was elected as an MP Speaker. So there'll be a by-election soon. So suppose now the party is able to retain that seat, then we are back to fight. You see, nobody can claim because we've not had, the requisite number to claim for the post of LO. So being, we have 5 MLAs, TMC has 5 MLAs, and VPP has 4 MLAs. So the Speaker, in his wisdom, has given it to us, being a national party. So elections are yet to be held. So I do not understand because, as such, there is no formal alliance in the Assembly. Okay. Now there is no formal alliance between the TMC and the VPP. So I think the Speaker, it should be left to the Speaker's prerogative. But then I would say that, let the by-election be completed. Only then the Speaker maybe can take a decision or take a call.
Kami Meghalaya siyan kan sayo ya ke veterinary hospital kabalamang lai po arklur tingka nakabantaban sumar ya ki babun ki jinri. Kung bakalong menta kanong ba silong kadang don tangkawe ke veterinary hospital kabasumari ki babun ki jinri kabadon langru ya ke OPD.
Ya kenela ya tu da Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry bat veterinary uba el hek da ke baong ba kene ke veterinary hospital bertemai kan de ha apol Shillong.
Under very fast processing for the veterinary hospital of Shillong, Meghalaya. So now it is there to already clear I think the state level Empower Committee, SLEC Empower Committee, and a scheme will be proposed from the PM Divine. Once all the formality is completed from the state government, from the planning, and we are going to pursue with the PM Divine Prime Minister Office to get the sanction through for the phase 1, that is for the 32 CR. It's not an issue at all. We have our own land bank of the veterinary department there at 7 mile of Shillong. So land is not an issue at all.
UMP ka Voice of the People's Party VPP na Shillong, u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon, ulakin tu ya ka sarkar pedeng bakan tuklar lemno hagaban sinapin bahay ya ka Surok National Highway 6 ha Meghalaya.
Haba IT ke dorkas jo Menteri ke Road Transport and Highway Nitin Jairam Gadkari ha ke sitirik naitung Dr. Singkon ula ong ba ukerpa je ke office ban singaw ba tuklar bat simar do ki sengjam badan kam halor kene ke kam kenang ba kan weng ya ke jinge jong ki paj ba ke jela bala ke dew haneng ula ong ba ka NH06 kedai ke Surok Bakongsan ba ke bayai lingba ke jela Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura bat Mizoram. Kasurok NH06 kapinyeso ya kisor ki Bakongsan hakine ki Southli ki jela pakan thup ya ka Jorabat Shillong Jawai Silchar Aizol Agartala batkut hajan ke Kaput India Myanmar.
UMLA kanong po uba Miral Bones iyam hakasini kong jong katayo ulalig budien na umentri rang ba ka jelaw Konrad ki Sangma halor ka jingdawa ban sinapin bhano ya ka Surok nong po umden Sonapur.
Yau MLA la senran da kiri rang ba Karibhoy district bakan thup ya kinong ilam snong ka thai nong po bat umden.
Sgi ila yo alat ban ya kendu ya Menteri rang ba jong ka jela ka jong ni i Sir Konrad K Sangma ban Buddin halor kawi ni gimat kiba kongsan ba ha ka bedi bat ka surok nongpo umden sya Sonapur kawi ni gimat kiba jela bro kawi ni lai ya kijing elenti ya kini katto kani tili tayo gibla dem kani gede kamat kabala slam ban agaliang jong aku menomik kemat chamla song thaj ban Buddin ya kani bat kaladon ha ka final stage bat kumba lalong hagi ni kiski kibala dep na so ban panpau ke jeng sungu sai sisin ya baro ki paj ba ki bala ai ke jeng kersan ki riusimen baro ki bala idon ko benta ko krau ban ai men sim ba ni kam kan urlong ban 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 Buddin cucu ban pen state ya ni kam la yo alat ban ya kendu ya u chief minister na kom ta ban pentikna bangin la ban pen kloy ya kene kam na department yo pludi ha ko bedi bat ka upgradation ya ka surok na nong po haumden first part ke di arpo kilometer ya ka ba 8 mang lengba ka NEC lembaga Ministry of Donor bat halor jong kani ka don kam yang akum MLA bangan Buddin na ka por sa ka por mangisutu gidon sibun teli ki surok ki ba don kam kiba don on a priority dan ni top priority ki surok kala amde sa Giant Hill sa West Khas Hill sa South Garo Hill sa West Garo Hill sa Riboy pangta tatka bat kani ka surok nong po umden ru gede ko we na ki makongsan ndrei ha ka perthei dan gejing ya kini gejing kanan mangi ong kadon kam yang aku nom hikmat bangan Buddin tagadau daga sing ngalai kendu hi na kabenta ban pentikna ban planning kende ha top priority list kende po NEC na NEC ter po Ministry of Donor banyo ya kejing menjur banyo yang jeng penmang tengka kum balamang kata kalong san puar klur kendai kupralat kan riu hajar na kabenta kene ka fast part kene ka arpo kilometer ke bedi intermediate lane nanong po somden margata kumbo oi pi menni kajing ai Buddin na kapor sa kapor bat ngasutu biang-biang balada ngimla ban Buddin hi bagi dang don sipun ki surok ki bodon kam po gajela de kener budi ko we ni ki bodon kam ha ka ba la yo lan mata kesni ban Buddin ban pentikna ter mta NEC mta penbek na ka benta ban pentikna ba sanction po jong Ministry of Donor yo kloi kat bala nam tang jing mentoi jong pai ba kani gede ka benta ka benkong ka benta ka baar boleh jadi keren gede ka tuna na umden ter Sonapur ka pejangai sa kumba laiku pra kilometer kani kumba mila update di pina ka pot sa pot ni penmang di lomba jo PMGSY ha ka bagi jing penbit penbiang ya di PR barok la dana Delhi po Ministry of Rural Development na kumta baniyo jing benjur bangit scam basyan insa la baniyo ya gejing menjur baniyo ban pentri kam no ya gene surok nam ta gejing mentoy jong pai ba gejing apil gejong assassin kalau bang ini sya sitom kat tu di pai ba song senong jong ini gedong bagat han gejongi se than den tam tam begini sya ban ini scam ba gene ka genti ko menta da gejing trelang jong boro da gejing kerku jong bele bangila ban poi sung thong baniyo surok ko ba beli subur
ki khun ki hajar ka hima sora ki ladawana ka KHADC ya ka jingpen bana halor ka jing aira ya ka snong majai namar ka ni ka snong kadang hap hapo ka hima sora
kila ong ba ka jing aira ya ka snong la le klem ka jing tip bat monjur lang ka hima sora pat kumta ya ka ne ka jing le kila ong ba kimla ban pdiang kila itu ba ha majai ki khasi ki don tang kum ba 10% bat ba bon de ki we ki jaj bin riu
siam ba pria siam lo ka jingwan jong iban dawa ba ide ban weng no ya kan notification ba la pemi ka asal trek uni benai ba matau benang no uni benai bala dem kalau ka jing ai rai kerpang no ya ka majai dan kali yang jong ikun ki hajar jong himas orang ilawan ban ai da ka jing tho ya i siam bal ngi dawaru ba ide ban weng no mardor ya kan ka notification ya ka rai ban weng no pendam no ya ni ka kenting rai na po ka senong majai ba nakaliang jong i ila akran syai hadin bangileh tai sani bah nakaliang jong i ila ong ba abede bakani karaj umsem aibor ya ki majai le su ai tang kateng rai Tena kalian jongi lagi mohon ya kata. Nak kalian jongi penbor bi banwang baik ya kan ko ordar ke jongi. Tena kalian jongi ila kan saya yang ba mentah kini kising kan melak benne yang haban absuan dadap ke session hadian ka khat lai khat sautrik mo. Hadian ka khat sautrik insa aya ka rai. Habe de ban pendam no ya kan ka rai ya kan ka notification ke baila pemi mai. Ni kata dak ka jing tiang ka jongi kadon bare de ba kata namar ba kendai persen nang ti dapat daki baik kejai benri ki bawan song snong ti buai snong ti ba kejai benri jongi ki don tang 10% tingim tip ke kapelan ni suthu sai ba kani ke kapelan jong ki baik kejai benri ladayo ban kurup no ya kamajai bakan lai no di himasora lesi kandon keju no ngamata jong kita tina kalian jongi ngi persya halor kata bayo wan nong trai kli man daki baik kejai benri di awal ya ka kendai la yo ya kan ketutusan bak kelarai kamajai yang ini kilang kihun kihajang ilawan banyak yang ni ilawan mekran bakam deh bandang rai ka majai namar ba kahabe hapo himasora di nakaliang jong hapo ba dari siam iba tinggal ba ini siam lo ide iam jong ilaka lah ribuk no ekor dar jong ba islah bala penim 4 ya ka odar hapo belong siam ba tinggal tindai nang tang le sangap no jan rimenta pak kawan ki imbiang baribu kelaman ya ko ordar ka ba long si yam hapo jong ba tinwel menta pa deh kapol balong si yam ba peniat penimbiang itu kara ya ka ya ko ordar ka ba mi ho ada ka kendai ka long ba penim no kumta ka tena kala jongi ni persya jor baik halor kan ni ka ba pengkelara ya senang mencai
UMDC ka so raw baderu unong yalam jong ka UDP uba Tito Starwell Khan ulapin pa ba ka jing airat ya ka senang majai kampat long ka bade nababun kinong snong kidei kibar jala balada kenda ka percentage labun sya kibar jala hakan gasno
Ulaong bakam long kabadai ban itu no ya kibar jela kum kitrairi trai mulup ne kitrai jaka kumta kala don kejing persya kabajur halor kejing itu ya kamajai kum karai
pika ka snong majai kumbang itip kibabun ki kentot kibadan hapo ka tu ka snong majai kibabun ki nong snong ki kibar jela te lada khen ya ka percentage dan ia kajingdon jong kibriu ki banabar ki khambun bun sya kibriu ki banabar ban ye ki trai muluk trai jaka tena takadau ka question man I right na so kampat arise ata ga digajing sutu to ki ma wat ngiru kong ki nong mi khmat ani ki nong ya lampai ba ki sutu ba kamlong ka badai ba ya ban itu no ya ki bar jela ki poiwer ki poihap ba kinlong kong ki trai snong dan ki trai jaka Dina takadaw ngaso kadang kecil persyak lunjur kamtam nagi samla nagi sembalang beper ba kamlong kabadai ya mentahi ban itu ya ka kumbarai kadang dehi kum basnong kadal basnong aga banha apo kajing peniat jong himasora
unong yalam jong ka seng congress uba Ronnie V Lingdo ulapin pa ba ka jingkhang jong ka state congress kaya pilihan ka benta jong nuru
ya kaneu la ong hadin bakala don kejing kendo bau Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ban wan pai biang sya keseng kongres.
You see, let us not go into any specific individual. The Congress party is open to everyone. Okay. So it's not a question of one person or two persons or three persons. The party is open to the doors to everyone. But if you are willing to work for the interest of the party within the party's ideology.
But so like the Tura MP has already made it clear that there's no interest for Mukul Sangma and others who have left the party to come back.
I think that you should ask the MP, because as a party we're yet to take a decision. We're yet to have a discussion on this matter. But then, as we say, the Congress party welcomes everyone and anyone. We're not talking about any particular individual.
UMLA kanong po uba Miral Bonds iam hakas ngining kong jong katayo ula kirpat ya kinong yalam shlong bakin no sinyang ya kajaka kanang ban pensok ya kajing shna ya ka medical college haka district
ya kaneu bas im lai thu abakren shekla pathai khobor ki ba long ru khatkum ki jing kdew lenti ha ka bai ka district hospital kadai bandon kumba aspa sanphotli ki jing thia ha ka ba ban pensuk pante ya ka medical college kat ba kanong po civil hospital kadon tang chispa jing thia
di Alor Kawi niki hospital gila don kam ya Wiruboi district kita gede MCH hospital, Mother and Child Health Hospital gaban pek na gaban tagi long kebi Armet ke Kendung apo ka district markene hospital gadon apo Parila kesnong Parila ne umran Parila apo umsning ba hangne kat kum ka jeng review ngalam ba kibabun ki kam la dep bade ba civil work bade ba approach road ke bas syaka hospital ke basa kenjat ke approach road chaki quarter nang ta ka light la dep ba install nang ta ka ka kat bala nah ini ban penbiang sedang kat tu ni ban ban penbiang bat kham tam ha ka bade bat ki manpower abi manpower ke dong jin penbek na kalian jom ka sarkar ban ek kat bala ha ka ba sedang no la ko no yo OPD chua bahkan ya hang tu kenang bagi ba kin suki benang la sisdon numla ban penbiang facility dan re suki kat bala in bersang ban address dia kanin margani gede gewe niki aset ki ba kongsan bah gede ko pia apo jong kare bo district ki bar away begini digimat ki bangila yo ban review mendaski bat bangini le kat bala mo ngi mene ya kini ki facility ki badan bat kum juru ha ka bede bat kanong po civil hospital ban bahai ke kom sumar bat ru banang kampen bun ya ki jing thia lani kini ki infrastructure ki bangidon tu mamantangi don cispa jing thia kwa ban increase ke tu dengan don ha galenti ban ya kren bat ki trai jaka la ban de ki snong lani kini ki raj ki badon within radius ko 1 kilometer jong ka nongpo bangin yo ban shift ya ki residential quarter satu ha ka bangin sala ban penhe pat ha tu ka existing campus ban penhe hospital manang penbun cu ya ki jing thia ha kani hospital baling ong ya kani ka long bekam kerki ka kadang april ru syaki snong bat ki raj ki bala ban ai ke jaka free of cost bangin yo ban snai ke jaka sa dong ki doktor bat ki nurse la ka jong ban shift na tu badon menta kanang mungin la ban penhe ya kani ka ba na cispa jing thia cha spa san po la ne ar spa ba kom ta tek magawi ni kimat menuju kren kadis pang medical college hari boy magawi ni ki kriteria ki ba ganiti ayo jong sarkar India ka bu kolong ba kino ki district hospital ki ban la ban upgrade sagi medical college ki de ban don ka district hospital ka palat ya ka ar spa san po jing thia ya ki nongpang tengi kum ka district hospital jungi ngimpat don kata kita kadang ngimpat bidang don gini ki kriteria ki bangimpan la ban mit do menta ta kadau kari boy wala gade aspirational district tu ngidang siam sitom ban yo gane hendri kum uwe na ginong mikmat jong ka district ngin yele kat bala ban penbiang gini ngi jong don kam na ga benta ba aku wi gesngi ngin la ban yo ya kani ka medical college ka ba hapo district jungi kat ba ka sarkar pedeng kadang itu kum ka aspirational district
ka senjuk kinongnya taxi sorbat kapsor aga jingya lik kindo ya EM in charge labor ka KHADC uba Victor Rani kila kerpa na ka council bakan pendu no ka jing ai labor license ya kibar jela kiblawan ban kini no ka jakpo jong gitra jela
aba ai jingiro ya KHADC ba kala pendu no ya ka jing ai labor license henry hadu mentapat dang yo ya kikmat batmai jong kibar jela kiba kamai sahu hapo kenong ba shlong
ni ya kata siang ni Aisyah keburam saya ke isi yang tukor kebelan basim siang sebelum kerai untuk training lesson bat ni ke kalau kejok macam tu mau di bat kambing ni kuntu ki benne di kerana tang sisien ki no bat lagi senam kambing benong kuntu ki mentau nong lek kam sini mentau tip ki phanya ngam ta sisien di bat kambing ke kot telat bahasa film ni surok film panchu pun mi biang di ki phanya unta siajar un kamai sisnem ti siajarin long ayu yang kamai sok bakani kajung kenra kam de shuban kita kadang lebih rutin kalau lakum nu sisin shibnai sisin armai kadang bendem dek telah trafik kala banyeng mo tak buram iki banyeng bateri sistem apa ke trafik kakam juga ni ke enforcement ru kidi ban chum kya ta banta mo mi bateri nama tadi kakam ban kenra kini ndi be shibun kam tang kisro ba kini kita mo hi kam pik na kani kalebal kabarit kin shaju ni nang ya taksi sedang nang ni kamar kini tak baik kacak ko kan verify license officer atau nang teh tinggi lekran ya penbek lang ba aku hadin juga ke session spotter ke session kau hadin ke session yang penbek nak panek dah kajing checking kena kalian jungi kesenjuk ru in say khot ke jungi hakin nu ki checking in volunteer rang bat ki kibun Tripura Bihar kibun baki te barang ni cupi kini barjalaling cupi kamai mentang ni sistem arsenal dari kapon yang lichnong phaun persala jong ti dulon nu nang ti tu persala jong ru pha chu sti penwat kle dewe kini kin chong yang dan don chtong cupi tang si banai kila yo kali cupi kini kita bar kasih jong ni pat sisin bak la chong yin kila ultra la di nasi ka kali daki banai kini sistem kini yo kali pat teng dan kini yo kali syuru papi yel em dak si pho ka sistem banyak tak si mo kini belam misteri lupa kini sedang menteri kuli mo haji yo ibu anak si makin baju em harus kata deh kelihatan ke kini di bentah ke ba nak lihat gadis konsel ke dimensi kia ada orang siapa pi iet jat dan rio muka konsel ke yang hi na bentah kari ba jat dan rio ki keduk ya mau yang ikun kasih kara di dimensi kia ke bentah nama kini kalau tak pula kayak ke ini kita jakpo ke sini kita pak
Menteri ramba ke jela ukon rat ke sangma agas ni baar jong katayo ulapin urlong ya kajing ang nuot jong ka kinhun tem ka Eastern Brook Band ka badai ka kinhun kinong tem ibamdon ya ka bor ban yoi da ka ba IT shaki ya ki tiar tem
Kene ke Eastern Brook Band ke kentup ya sangut kit kot ki baju lit tem wada pedang kajing bam yoi jong ki ya lakmat
Thank you. Tell us your names, all of you, and what instrument you play.
I'm the lead guitarist of Eastern Brook, so my name is Nakio Akatrina.
And then next.
I am I'm the lead vocalist of the band.
Great.
And I am Waiki Smetang, and I am the drummer of the band.
Great. So I think all of us really would like to know what is it that brought you all together and how your band, came together. And when did this happen?
It all started in 2022, like when we first came to notice, like because we wanted to form a band since 2019 and all while we were in school, but we have some hard time and there are some tough challenges going on the way, and then after that in 2022 when this MGMP started to
the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program.
When MGMP started to form, and then we saw the door was opening for us also to make a name for ourselves, and then there we kicked off with our band, and then at first it was a tough challenge for us with the equipment and the instruments, but then we have few of our friends who said, oh, we will help you with that, and then we started, and then we said, okay, let's just then form a band, because that is our passion since we were in school. So we kick off with that, and then we make a name for ourselves, and then we got to break the barrier.
Absolutely. And then
it is an honor to be with you in front. Like I feel so, like I'm so proud of myself. Like I'm also a huge fan of you. I saw the way you play guitar and all. So I really look up to you also. Like
we look up to you. In fact, it's amazing that in spite of so many challenges that you have, that you still manage to follow your dreams and your passion, I should say. And whatever we're doing today is just a small way to show our support for the passion that you have. In fact, I want to just also tell all of you that you will be, and you are already in fact, a great source of inspiration for many of the youngsters of our state, that, and in fact of the country, that when you believe in something and when you're passionate about something, no matter what challenges there are, if you keep working at it, you will achieve. And you will definitely achieve the goals that you have. So you're a great inspiration, and I really want to congratulate you for what you have done. And what are your future plans? Are you planning to come out with some kind of an album or something?
Yes, actually we are planning the things that we are facing difficult, like regarding financial and all. So that's the reason, like
you may be in the right place.
For studio is very hard for us. Like it costs around 20,000 per song.
Right.
So it's difficult for us.
So you'll have to convince me that the song is good for recording, and then we'll work with you for the recording.
So for now, like, try to compose the song, try to practice properly.
You do that.
After that, like, let's see.
Yeah,
how to manage regarding
first you have to. The music should be also with the.
Yeah.
Should be it will be nice for others also to listen. So we have to plan nicely. So we have to be creative also the music. So.
And also, it's a great opportunity that you give us like this equipment and all, so that we'll be practicing and then we'll move ahead.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Move forward ahead.
I'm sure that your music and your songs that you come out with will be really, really amazing, and we wish you the very best for it. And I want to assure you that we will keep supporting you. As you know, that the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program was meant to do exactly what it is doing now, to bring out the talent that our youth have and showcase it and allow them to be able to perform at different stages.
Kum shibantawan pinne pensabat men pen embiang ya ke bau men barem mula betin linti kadorbar ki basan khat ara jong ke hima khairem haka arterik unaitung kilalej banikendu ya u chief executive member ke KHADC pat IT ru da dorkas
Kan kum kedor khas kinong yalam kedor bar ki basan khat arraj kila pen pau ya ke jingdon kam man pen pensa bat ban pen im ya ke riti dostor ke culture jong ke wei pakawei ke right kumba labu la seng da umen barem nadu ke minor ya ke hok nong kenti jong kinong yo peteng habak kren berkilat thai ke bor usi em ke KHADC ba penjai sing im la pen pau bah ke right ki don ar benta bat kine kide ke right sersha bat ke wei pat ke right le nim Shushu ba penyai ula pentip ba ke eksekutif kala sim kia ba ya kene ke benta patkin sathe da ki kam penroi bat kumjuru ban penbha ya ke jaga le niam bu mau siang ha ke snong umat pat kumjuru ya ke office jong ka khat arai
tam kini kira ki badan hakini ki border area bakasam neduk karat nongtung rat yap ngar ki rat babun jat ngam kermau kerteng kini ki wan ban a jing tho ngi mene bani kendu ban pen snow bala dan kam ban itu kerpang yaki kamtam ka jingdan jong kirat kidan arbenta karat lekniam karat sensyar dan nakal yang jungi ni sokumen bani kendu iki mene bat ngila shimkhya yakni ka kam nakal yang jungi bakini kirat kin im biang mentah dapi ongkas rat lekniam kan don biang dapi ong karat sensyar kan don biang de yakani omtang bengin itu yaki dakaan wat ikilat kam penroi ru ngin the setina kalang dis council khamtam iki border area baka karbi anglong neka Assam ya ka baka don kajingya kumba PE ka don kajingya pen ibor de nakalang jungi kumangla wan setila jan laisien yuk kejat seti sejaka baki don kishnong kasih jungi ki badan pedang kajingya sungtu bakla kajingya keni te nakal yang jungi la persangkat bala ban ya sungtu jengmut ba habidip ka syongsuk syongsan de ben penne bat ya ka kam development ru ngide ban ya buram markeliang te nakal yang jungi ka council baningkong ka project ngin shna penbahano ya kani ka jakal le niam bu mau shieng hapo umat debat sekiweki office jong ka khat arat ngin ai ka no ko belong center le siapo umlaper ne hai ngin sale kata bat ngelakren yo UCM district council autonomous council jong karbi anglong ru bandem dei ban pentut yakini ki kampen roi khamtam ki ban mentoi ki produk persnam jungi ki basyong basa ang ki po blok 2
ki sipai border security force but border guards Bangladesh klasem ya karai ban yetre lang ha ka banwa ya kilat kilenti bantem ya ki jing e ki bami hagi khaput nang banwan ra ya ka jinglong jingman ka basuk pasai ya ki nong shong shno
ya kene garai la sim ha ka jingyalang border coordination conference ki inspector general BSF BGB region commanders basau sngi kala kutno ha ka sngi palai ha shlong ya kan ki BSF la kli de YG ka Tripura Frontier Patel Piyush Piru Satam Das kadba ya ke BGF la kli de MD Sasedur Rahman Additional Director General Commander Chattogram.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would like to welcome you all at Frontier Headquarters BSF Meghalaya and thank you all for your presence for coverage of Inspectors General BSF, Region Commanders, BGB level Border Coordination Conference, which was held in Shillong from 1st of July 2024. It is my honor and privilege to address you in the presence of His Excellency, Mohammad Sajedur Rahman, Additional Director General, Region Commander, Chittagong, the head of 13-member Bangladesh delegation. Since 1st July, we have been engaged in productive discussions and have taken significant steps towards enhancing our mutual friendship and mutual cooperation. Also, various issues regarding bilateral interests, which will pave the way towards enhancing the understanding and cooperation between both the border guarding forces, were discussed at length. Further, special emphasis was given to focus issues, particularly the insurgent activities, various transborder crimes, including smuggling of contraband items, psychotropic drugs and narcotic substances, border violations and pending infrastructural and developmental works, besides common coordinated border management plan. During the deliberations, sincere commitment of both the border guarding forces in strengthening the existing robust cordial relations was re-emphasized to jointly evolve a viable solution to various bilateral issues being confronted by both the forces, are creating an environment of peace and tranquility along the international boundary by amicably resolving them, and to further strengthening the bond of friendship, mutual trust and cooperation. Embarking on the path of confidence building measures, the two border guarding forces of India and Bangladesh have been forging ahead in their ever-growing friendly relationship by participating in Inspectors General BSF and Region Commander BGP level coordination conference at regular intervals as per the tradition. The last such border coordination conference was held at Chittagong, Bangladesh in September 2023. Over the past few years, BSF and BGP have not only cemented their bond of friendship jointly, but have also acquired new dimensions in mutual trust and cooperation for resolving the bilateral border issues through meaningful dialogues at various commanders' level. The primary objective of this conference is to strengthen the existing mechanisms for border management, discuss issues of mutual concern and address them at various levels, explore new avenues for collaboration. Recognizing the importance of fostering goodwill and mutual understanding, we have discussed initiatives to promote cultural and sports exchanges between the BSF and BGP. These activities will not only build camaraderie but also enhance mutual respect and trust between our forces. I am pleased to inform you that our discussions have been conducted in the spirit of friendship, understanding and mutual respect. We have made considerable progress on several fronts, and I am confident that the agreement and understanding reached during this conference will lead to more robust and effective border management practices. Our shared vision of peaceful and secure border can only be realized through continuous dialogue and cooperation, and I look forward to further strengthening our partnership in coming months and years.
Us here in this esteemed gathering in Shillong, India. We deeply appreciative of their warm welcome and exceptional hospitality extended to us. A visit to a neighboring country such as India is always joyous and enriching experience for us. Our two nations share profound cultural, historical, and heritage bond. We especially acknowledge the deep gratitude, the courageous contributions of Indian soldiers, including BSF soldiers, who fought valiantly alongside our freedom fighters during our liberation war. The BGP and BSF bear the sacred and demanding responsibility of maintaining peace and tranquility in the border. Engagement like this, characterized by friendly exchanges of ideas, are vital for resolving issues between our two border guarding forces. This conference and amicable discussion significantly strengthen our mutual understanding and collaboration, aiding us in achieving our common goals. During this session, we exchanged views, ideas, and concepts on various border-related issues in congenial and lively environment with the intent to enhance the existing friendly relation between our countries and our forces.
Kum shibanta ban pen klan ya ki kam sin char snong, but ban pen tikna ya ka jing shimanta jong ki pai ba no shong snong, haki kam sin char snong bat ka sarkar, u menteri rang ba ka jelaw la plaj pai ba ya ka CM Connect Public Forum ni ka rensan pai ba ha adu gre ha North Garo Hills.
Kene ka CM Connect Public Forum kadai ka jingstang ka bathamai ta ka sarkar ban penroi sha ki nong shong snong ha ki snong ki thau ban sngap ya ki jing sngo kya bat jing e jongki bat ban pinyo ya ki la jing rap bat ki jing shimrai. Kene ka program la penwan dor ya ka jing pinye so hapdeng ka sarkar bat ki nong shong snong ta ka ba pentikina ba ki so jong ki pai ba en la ban yo sngo kentup ru ya ki jing e jongki.
That the CM Connect program is a program where the government intends to reach out to the people and ensure that we are able to actually connect with them. Many a times, as Chief Minister, as ministers, as MLAs and as officials, we are always in our offices, inside our rooms, making policies for the citizens of our state, making different programs for the people of our state, but not realizing that maybe what we are thinking is not what the public is thinking. Sometimes there is a disconnect between what the people want and what we think the people want. And therefore, this program has been initiated where the Chief Minister and public leaders and the officials will travel to different blocks, engage with the people, hear from the people, and based on that, we will make the decisions that will impact the people of our state. Also at the same time, at the grassroots level, there are small issues which do not require too much of hard work, which do not require too much of intervention, but is being delayed for simply the procedural aspect or a simple decision or attention to be given. And hence, I strongly feel that these public hearings will allow us to resolve those situations.
Menteri katanat boarding ka jela u iti mondal, ulapen pa ya ka jing sokya halor ka jing ay beteng ka jing kiyo jong ka haki jaka ki balong madan kakatahan Garo Hills. Haka jing keren bar umondal ka sipalay ulayat huo blada ban papik nuar bahagi bor penyay banle ya kanu badon kam na baka kalanang kiyo nakadaw jong ka jing jor slap. Pat kumjuru ya ka jing mga kabala banwan na ka jing kiyo ka hawa Brahmaputra.
Mandal habaya kren ha kasngi pale ulai tu balada ban pha pe ngor bahaya keyboard penyaj ban sim ya kono ke badan kam na baga kala nangkyu na kadaw ka jingjor palar uslap bar ka jingma na ka jingkyu ka wa ha Brahmaputra.
See, a flood situation is becoming very grim, considering the flood situation in Assam. Of course, last 2-3 years we did not experience that much of rain and flood was also not there. But this year it seems there will be some problem as far as flood is concerned. We have already instructed the Deputy Commissioner, the BDOs and all these things. So they are taking care. This is the situation at present. Mostly rain. You see this time rain entire northeast. Usually the flood in Plain Belt is because of the water coming from river Brahmaputra. So when Assam get floods, automatically those water pass through our area also, through Plain Belt areas also. Ultimately flood occurs in Plain Belt areas also. It is part of Tikregila constituency, then Fulbari constituency, Rajawala constituency, Shalsala constituency. These are mostly affected, and they are affected because of the flood water from river Brahmaputra. Assistance will be required if it crosses the danger mark. Morning I was discussing, they are telling that still it is not there, but the way water is rising, it may cross the danger mark. But we alerted the district administration, the BDO concerned, to look into all the things and extend all possible help.
Menteri rang ba ka Jalao Conrad K. Sangma, aga jingali shimenta jong u aga jingle niam be den klam ka balalong menta oksnam, ulapen pa ya ka jing sokmen ka bakraw, halo ka jing ipo ipieng jong kani ka jingle niam ka bapen ne pensa ikiriti ka dustor, daga jing wani shimenta jong upai ba ubabun, ulapen pa ru baka sorta jala, kanang yai beteng ban ai ka jing kershan jong ka, haka be day bat ki jing lut jing sam. Kung kijing tay akan gijaka, bat kiwe pa.
Yes, I would like to take this opportunity to wish the people of the state a very happy Wedding Club Festival. This is one of the important festivals of the state, and this is my third time that I am here visiting and being part of this festival. And every time I come here, it becomes even more and more colorful and more beautiful. And I love the way that the people celebrate it with so much of passion and so much of involvement. And we are happy that we can always support this festival in every possible way. And as you're aware that even the infrastructure that was created out here was created by the government through the tourism department. About 6.5 crores has been spent on this. And like this, we've always believed that maintaining the cultural identity of our state and of our people is of utmost importance. So we are happy to support, and we are happy to see that our people have continued to celebrate in a very passionate manner the different cultural festivals of our state. So once again, I wish the people of our state a very happy Wedding Club Festival.
Haswa bangin penkun ini apai biang syakimat bakongsan sashisin. Ha tuklar UMP VPP yang sarkar pedeng ban penbhai ke NH6. Dawa ki khun hajar ka hima sora ban weng kecing aira ya kasnong majai. Kintu ka sinjuk nyak taxi badi ban penduk no ka ai labor license ka KHADC. Daki tiar tem ayu menteri rang ba syaka kenhun Eastern Group Band. Bat kiwe kubur. Badak itu ngilapoi syaka bakud jong gani katup kubur. Insiya siyang biang bat piya kawe pat katayo. Kublay sibon, yas.